PM Janman Amade Dirty Ava Zanzatiya Utkars Avian Yimaka, the state Sigi Hill District Singdalariba, Yumthong Kudingda, Medical Facility Fanghangadoriba, Mobile Medical Unit Tarahumdoi, Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand Lamthakrai. Directorate of Health Services Nasanduna Lamfelda Laiba, Directorate Asiki Complex Pangto Patharam Amada, Mobile Medical Unit Sing Adu, Chief Minister Khemchand Lamthaki. Toromaduda Health and Family Welfare Manipuri Commissioner cum Secretary Sumant Singh, Health Services ki Director Dr. N. Hemant Kumar, TA and Hills Manipur ki Director Rangnamai Rang Peter, Family Welfare Services ki Director Dr. N. Bino, National Health Mission Manipur ki State Mission Director Dr. M. Dines Yauna, Health Department ki Makok Thongba Official Singh, Tuwan District Singh ki CMO Yauna Miyoi kya nasaruk yaki. Toromaduga Mari Lainana Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand Sedasi Chingi Sarukna Helagasu Ana Layangi Facility da Sothaduna Lairi Mobile Medical Unit Sing Asina Chingi Khara Manung Hanjina Laiba Mafam Singda Ana Yek Yaropada Kudung Chadaba Kaya Lairambadu Kokhan Bangam Lagani Haiki
Samsung Manipur ki Zagasi Sing na 90% ni valley na 10% ni. So the maximum medical facilities healthcare medical facilities koi valley da laiba ana sing da laite haibanate ado sagi yamna remote areas sing du di sagi treatment do lakpa kudung chadaba mayam du masigi Bharat ke Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji ke asan ma mi sina masi khara da su mateng pangmang magani habi thajaba duni
Tauramadu Mari Lainana Health and Family Welfare ki Commissioner Sumantna North East State Singi Manungda Assam ki Hek Mathangda Manipurna Mobile Health Unit Program asi implement taubangamba Anishuba State ni Mobile Unit asada Doctor Nurse Loinana Laboratory Technician amamam yaugani Unit asada mathok taba equipment testing facility yauduna PIC amagumna mathok taubangam gani hanki India Linga ki Makada launch Toriba Mobile Health Unit Sing Asina Doorstep Medical Facility Fanghanba Ngamlagani Haina Commissioner Asina Fongdoki.
They are equipped with all essential drugs, equipments, microscope, testing facility, blood test, ECG, and they will go in the remote, far-flung, hilly areas, treat people at their doorstep. This is a very unique and important intervention. Manipur is the second state in northeastern region after Assam to have implemented this program. We are quite optimistic and motivated by this experiment being implemented with the funding and support of Government of India, and we hope that it will add significantly to our health facilities. I would like to mention that we have about 85 PSCs. Now we've got 16 mobile medical units which are more than a sub-center. They are like a PHC only. We can say that about 19-20% more PHCs have been added in the health facilities infrastructure of the state today.